When skincare becomes more than just a routine, it turns into a ritual, a moment of grounding, reflection, and care for both your body and your inner energy. Nature gives us everything we need to nourish and rejuvenate our skin. The key is learning how to use it with intention. Natural oils have been the foundation of beauty rituals for centuries. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamins E and K, deeply hydrates and supports the skin barrier, making it ideal for nightly restoration. Jojoba oil balances sebum production and soothes inflammation, perfect for those seeking a clean, calm glow. And almond oil, light, gentle, and nurturing, helps soften dry areas and restore elasticity. But there's another ancient practice often overlooked: salt baths. From Himalayan Pink Salt to Dead Sea and Epsom salts, these minerals detoxify the skin, relax tense muscles, and restore energetic balance after a long day. Together, oils and salts create a complete self-care experience, one that reconnects you with the natural rhythm of your body. To complete the sensory experience, light a natural candle or use an essential oil diffuser. Scents like lavender, sandalwood, or citrus help calm your mind and create a peaceful atmosphere, turning skincare into meditation. And for circulation and tone, include Gua Sha tools and Jade Rollers. They promote lymphatic flow, sculpt the face naturally, and help your skin absorb every drop of nourishment. Finally, blend ancient wisdom with modern innovation. Red light therapy. This gentle technology stimulates collagen, improves elasticity, and supports skin rejuvenation from within, a modern complement to timeless natural care. Each of these steps is more than skincare. It's a moment of self-connection. If you'd like to explore every ritual in detail and discover which oils, salts, tools, and red light devices meet the well-being way standards of quality, you'll find all the insights and hand-picked recommendations in the full article linked below. Take a breath, light a candle, and let your skincare become your daily act of self-love.